In the past, chasing a concealed lining in walls using a hacker was a slow and difficult job. It took a long time, it wasted energy, and it was just not a nice, easy job to do. Introducing the revolutionary chasing machine, the Macroza. After 40 years, this power tool finally arrives on our Malaysian shores. When we compare the old method against the Macroza for exactly the same task, the advantages are plain to see. The old way is slow and wastes time. The Macroza is fast. The old way wastes energy. The Macroza is light and easy to use. The old way is not a nice, easy job. The Macroza is much better. We can show you how fast the Macroza is by timing how long it takes to chase 1 meter on this brick wall. Less than 27 seconds. We can show you how easy the Macroza is to use by cutting a circle on this wall. The Macroza results in a much nicer job. It does not destroy nearby bricks, and it produces very little dust, which simply falls to the floor. The Macroza is suitable for use almost everywhere. If you need to chase high up, it's not a problem. Our special ladder gives you the power and the control and is very stable. The Macroza is suitable for a number of wall types, including solid brick, plastering wall, and sand brick. For wider linings, just chase 2 linings side by side and then remove the center. The Macroza can even grip itself to the wall when the power is cut. This shows you just how light and easy this tool is to use. The Macroza has a milling cutter which needs to be sharpened regularly. This procedure is very simple using the special tools which are already included. The cutter pops out like this, and is sharpened like this. This takes only a few minutes. 4 cutter sizes are available for different widths and depths. After sharpening, the cutter pops back in like this, and you're ready to go straight away. The Macroza is an invaluable tool for contractors and site workers who work with aircon pipes, fiber optics, fire alarm systems, telephone wires, electric cables, and water pipes. Call us now for a free, no-obligation demonstration at your convenience. You can come to us, or we can come and visit you. Why not visit our demo room at our offices, again without obligation? Call now. You can log on to the website for more information.